Good day, children. Sai Ram. Welcome back. Children, what did we learn in the previous period of New Voices? Lesson number 8, book cover. Do you remember? Yes, we have learned the new words. And then I explained you about the book cover and then the different parts of the book. Okay, children, now first we will do a quick recap of what we have learned in the previous period, and then we'll start with the textbook activity. Okay, so children, you're going to be ready with your textbook. Okay, after doing the recap of the lesson, we'll start with the textbook activity. So remove your textbook, take your New Voices textbook, pencil, eraser. Okay, so first we are going to drill the words once. Okay, the first word is title. Title, title. Number 2, author. Author, author. Number 3, pages. Pages, pages. Number 4, front cover. Front, cover, front cover. Number 5, back cover. Backcover, back cover. Number 6, spine. Spine, spine. Number 7, forest. Forest, forest. Number 8, stories. Stories, stories. Yes, we'll read once. Number 1, title. Number 2, author. Number 3, pages. Number 4, front cover. Number 5, back cover. Number 6, spine. Number 7, forest. Number 8, stories. Number 9, tails. Tales, tails. Number 10, rabbit. Rabbit, rabbit. Number 11, mouse. Mouse, mouse. Number 12, elephant. Elephant, elephant. Number 13, parrot. Parrot, parrot. Number 14, happy. Happy, happy. Once more. Number 9, tails. Number 10, rabbit. Number 11, mouse. Number 12, elephant. Number 13, parrot. And number 14 is happy. So children, previous period I had told you to learn all these words. Okay, learn the spellings. I hope you have learnt. Okay, now I'll ask you few questions. Okay, we'll do a recap. Now what is this? Can you tell me what is this? Yes? Yes, it is the cover page of the book. We say it as front cover also. Okay, so this is the cover page of a book. Okay, now to make the stories or lessons more interesting, what is shown on the cover page? I had explained you. So to make the stories or the lessons more interesting, we feel like reading the lesson or feel like reading the stories. What is shown on the cover page? Yes, different animations or pictures are shown at the cover page. Okay. Do all the books have the same book cover? Okay. Do all the books have the same book cover? No. Why? Because some are story books, then magazines, some are forest tales, some are fairy tales. So, all the books don't have the same book cover. All have the different book covers. Okay. Now, what other things are written on the book cover or the front cover? Can you tell me what are the other things written on the book cover? Yes, or the front cover? Yes, the title. See, this is the title. Title is written on the book cover or the front cover. Then the name of the author or the name of the writer is also written on the book cover or the front cover. And then, yes, the publisher's name. Okay, the one who has published the book, his name is also, publisher's name is also written on the cover, the front cover. Okay, now can you tell me who is an author? Who is an author? Yes, the one who writes the lessons or the stories. He is known as the author or the writer. Okay. Now, what are the different parts of the book? Can you tell me what are the different parts of the book? Yes, which is this part? Come on, tell me. Yes, it is the front cover. Then, what is this? Yes, this is the back cover. Then, what is this? This is the spine. What is it? Spine. Then, what is this? They are the pages. Now, children, tell me what is a spine. I had explained you what is a spine. See here, this is the spine, no? I had explained you. So, this is a spine. So, what is a spine? Yes. Tell me. Spine joins the front cover page, back cover page and the pages. It joins. Okay. So, the spine joins the front cover page, the pages and the back cover. Okay. So, children, we had done a quick recap of what we have learned in the previous period. Okay. Now, we are going to start with the textbook activities. So, you are going to remove your New Voices textbook. Pencil, you will take your pencil and eraser and you are going to write the answers with the teacher. Okay, and teacher is going to ask you what is the answer. Okay, so after teacher writes, you are also going to write in your textbook. Okay, so be ready with your New Voices textbook. If you don't have the textbook, you can take your notebook and write the answers. Okay, so shall we start? Very good. Okay, now see here. Look at the book cover. Fill in the blanks. So children, you have to look at the book cover and you have to complete the blanks. See, book cover is shown here. So this is the book cover. Okay, this is the book cover. So you have to look at this book cover and you have to fill in the blanks. Complete the blank space. Okay, so and observe the book cover, the picture given in that, and then answer. Okay, now see the first question. The questions are based on the book cover. So you have to look at the book cover properly, observe it properly, and then you have to write the answers. The first question, that is a fill in the blanks. The elephant is holding a dash. You have to find where is elephant here in this picture. Yes, see where is the elephant? And what is the elephant holding? Yes, the elephant is here. Elephant is here. Okay. And what is the elephant holding? Huh? Can you see what is the elephant holding? Yes. Tell me. The elephant is holding a, yes, some fruit is elephant is holding, na? Which fruit is that? Yes, it is a banana. So, the elephant is holding a banana. So, children, you have to observe the picture properly and then you have to write the answer. The elephant is holding a banana. So, write banana in the blank space. Okay? We go to the next one. The dash is hanging from a tree. Now see, who is hanging from a tree? Which animal is that? Yes, the bird is hanging. Then who is hanging? Which animal is this? Yes, it is a monkey. So, the dash is hanging from a tree. The monkey. The monkey is hanging from a tree. So, what is the answer? Monkey. The monkey is hanging from a tree. Okay? Now, number 3. The dash is sitting on a tree. Now, see who is sitting on a tree. Just find out who is sitting on a tree. Yes, can you see here? What is it? Which bird is it? Which bird is that? The dash is sitting on a tree. Which bird is sitting on a tree? It's a parrot. The parrot is sitting on a tree. The parrot is sitting on a tree. Okay? Now see the first answer. What is the first sentence? Fill in the blanks. The elephant is holding a banana. So banana is the answer. Number 2. The monkey is hanging from a tree. Monkey is the answer. Number 3. The parrot is sitting on a tree. So the answer is parrot. Okay? So did you all write the answer? Did you all note it down in your book? Yes, very good. And write the correct spellings. Okay, good. Now next, we'll move to the next question. Yes. The book, number 4. The book has dash tails. Can you tell me which tails? The book has which tails, which stories? By looking at the book cover, you should know the book has what type of stories, what type of tales. Come on, tell me. What can you see in the cover page? By seeing the cover page, you should know what type of stories or what type of tales are there in the book. Yes, the book has forest tales. Forest tales. You can see the forest scene now. So the book has forest tales because there are so many animals and birds and trees. So from that we can come to know the book has forest stories or the forest tales. So by looking at the book cover, we are able to know that what type of stories are there in the book. Okay, so the book has forest tales. Number 5. The dash is hiding in the bushes. Now find who is hiding in the bushes. Come on, which animal? Yes, observe the picture properly. Someone is hiding here. See. So which is that animal? Come on, tell me. A small tiny animal. Come on. Yes. The mouse is hiding in the bushes. The mouse is hiding in the bushes. Okay. Number 6. The dash is running. Can you see who is running? Which animal is running? Yes. See here. Which animal is running? This one. Which is that animal? Yes, it is the rabbit. The rabbit is running. Who is running? The rabbit is running. Okay. Number 7. The name of the book is? Can you tell me? What is the name of the book? Come on, tell me. Yes. The name of the book is Happy Forest Tale. See, you can see here, no? The name of the book is written here on the cover page. Yes. So, the name of the book is Happy Forest Tales. Understood? So, number 1, the book has forest tales. So, what is the answer? Forest. Number 5, the mouse is hiding in the bushes. What is the answer? Mouse. Number 6, the rabbit is running. Answer is rabbit. Number 7, the name of the book is Happy Forest Tales. So, answer is Happy Forest Tales. We'll move to the next question. Now, next question. Number 8. The name of the writer is? Come on, tell me. What is the name of the writer? Come on, where is the name of the writer written? Yes? Yeah. Writer means the one who has written the book. Can you see here? Yes. What is written here? Shikha Chopra. So, Shikha Chopra is the writer of this book. So, the name of the writer is Shikha Chopra. Let us see. Yes. Shikha Chopra is the writer of this book. So, Shikha Chopra has written this book or the stories. The name of the writer is Shikha Chopra. Next, number 9. The stories have animals like. You can see many animals in these stories. So, what are those animals? You have to write the names. The stories have animals like. Which animals can you see? Yes. Elephant. We can see elephant. Then, which animal can you see? Monkey. Yes. Elephant, monkey. Then, rabbit. Yes. And one more animal. Yes. One is the mouse. The stories have animals like elephant, monkey, rabbit and mouse. Yes. Number 10. Happy Forest Tales is a book of animal what? Happy Forest Tale is a book of animal stories. Yes. So the Happy Forest Tale is a book of animal stories. So in this book all stories of animals are there. So animal stories are there in this book. In this book, Happy Forest Tales, the stories of animals are there. Okay. Number 8. The name of the writer is Shikha Chopra. The Shikha Chopra is the answer. Number 9. The stories have animals like elephant, monkey, rabbit and mouse. Number 10. Happy Forest Tales is a book of animal stories. Happy Forest Tales is a book of animal stories. Okay? Children, we are going to stop here and continue textbook activity in the next period. Till then, thank you and have a nice day. Bye.